Okay. Let's now go to Foot Yang Ming Stomach Meridian. Let's discuss Stomach 7, the lower passage. It is located on the lateral of face in the depression between midpoint below of the lateral zygomatic arch and mandibular notch. Stomach 7, lower passage, lower gate below the joint, lower hinge. Crossing point of stomach bladder and gallbladder. Removes obstruction from the channel and is used in facial problems such as paralysis, trigeminal neuralgia, upper jaw problems and toothache, gingivitis, and loss of voice. Benefits the ear. This point opens and influences the ear and can be used for deafness, earache, and tinnitus. Indications problem of the face and ear. Location. It is located with the mouth closed at the lower border of the zygomatic arch in the center of the depression of the mandibular fossa between the coronoid process of the condyloid process of the mandible. How to find. Palpate along lower border of the zygomatic arch towards the ear. Stomach 7 is located in a clearly palpable depression just below the temporomandibular joint and at the posterior border of the masseter muscle. To confirm, when the patient's mouth is fully opened, the condyloid process of the lower jaw slides anteriorly and the depression disappears. Gallbladder 3 is located directly superior to stomach 7 on the upper border of the zygomatic arch. Needling. Insert the needle with the patient's mouth closed. 0.3 to 0.5 con vertically or 1 to 1.5 con transversely in the direction of stomach 6, small intestine 19, and small intestine 18. Actions indications. Opens the channel, benefits the jaw and teeth, elevates pain, benefits the ears. Special features, meeting point with the gallbladder channel, important local point and frequently used trigger point. Crossing point of stomach and gallbladder, a local point for facial paralysis, trigeminal neuralgia, jaw, or ear problems such as otitis, deafness, earache, or tinnitus. Thank you for your attention.